In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook ads account name in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering Facebook Ads Manager into the search bar on Google. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Go to Ads Manager. When you click on this, it's going to redirect you to the Facebook Ads Manager login page. Now, if you're not already logged into Facebook, you'll need to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and type in your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Remember that it's crucial to use the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your email and password, simply click on the login button and you'll be directed into your account. Upon entering the Ads Manager, you'll find yourself at the Campaigns dashboard. This is where you can see all your current campaigns and access various account settings. To proceed with changing your account name, you'll want to look for the Add Account Settings. You might see this option labeled differently depending on Facebook's latest interface updates, but usually it's under the Settings or gear icon. After clicking on the Add Account Settings, navigate to the section labeled Pages. This is where all the related settings and options for your account reside, including where you can change your ad account name. You might have to scroll a bit or explore the menu options, but it should be quite intuitive once you're there. Once you're in the right section, you'll finally see the option to change your account name. It's typically a text field that you can directly edit. Go ahead and click on it, then type in your new desired account name. Make sure to double check the spelling and formatting to ensure it's just the way you want it. After you've entered your new account name, look for a confirmation button or save option, as it's essential to apply the changes. Once that's done, you're all set. Your account will now reflect this new name across the Facebook Ads platform, and there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to changing your Facebook Ads account name. If you followed along, you should now see your account updated with the new name. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow guides.